let's be real. Ain't nobody got time for those doodle limits. Going to the grocery store, can't even put $100 on your card. You can barely put $200 on the card when you go to the grocery store. But if I had to start from scratch, this would be the 4 power plays to make sure that I would never have a $300 limit again. All right, number 1, we're buying our way into the big leagues. Pretty much all you gotta do is add a high limit trade line somewhere like TradeLineSupply.com or get an authorized user from one of your family members. Make sure it's at least with a 5K to a 10K limit. No lower than 5K, because we need to get the big bag, you know what I'm saying? But listen carefully. Make sure it has 3 to 5 years good history behind. Good on-time payments. But again, some of us are building from scratch, some of us aren't. We're borrowing the blueprint. Next up, number 2, don't be shy. Every 3 to 6 months, call up your bank. Tell them like, hey, could I get a credit limit increase? That's all you gotta do. Just call the bank, tell them, hey, can I get a credit limit increase? They're like, how much you want? Most banks be like, how much you want? Shit, I mean, give me half of the limit I already got, extra. Are we starting y'all off small? Cause some of y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you, some of y'all scared as shit to even ask questions. But I'm gonna let y'all know a little secret. Closed mouths don't get fed and no low limits get flexed. And plus, shit, a bonus. Some of the banks is gonna do a soft pull. Again, a soft pull is just simply meaning like, hey, I'm gonna look at your report, but you're not gonna know I looked at your report. So you won't get a ding on your report. A hard pull is pretty much stating like, hey, I'm gonna look at your report and you're gonna see it. So you're gonna get that notification, that ding, that mark, the minus 2-3 points. It's nothing major at all. Just a note for you guys. Let's talk money habits. So the third tip to raise those credit limits: manage your money like a boss. Master the little money first. You can't out-earn a bad discipline. That stuff's gonna catch up to you. You're gonna be living paycheck to paycheck, wondering like, what the hell I'm doing for real with my life? Ain't shit working. But if you learn how to manage that little bag, that big bag gonna come in abundance for sure. Because once you get the big bag and you manage a little bag, of course, better than you ever managed money before in your life, then you can manage the big money. And I mean, that's what counts, right? You tell me. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. Supposed to be a heat warning. We barely got clothes on, you know? It's warm out here. But we're doing this for y'all. This video, if y'all find this video helpful, hit that like button. Why not? Just subscribe too while you at it. Yo, if you're new here, what's up? I'm Anthony, your board certified credit consultant, and I help ambitious people like yourself watching this video go from people with no credit, with limits, to a credit boss with a little bit of sauce, you know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, I mean, so y'all can finally live life on your own terms with options, style, and of course, no limits. We're not done yet, we got a couple more. Let's go. Fourth power move, the fourth and final. Stack your bag, don't trick it off. A lot of y'all be hustling backwards. Shit don't make no sense. Buying shit to impress people who really don't give a fuck about you for real. I'm just your big brother Ant, letting you know the real. But nevertheless, you're supposed to stack it, flip it, grow it. You ain't supposed to trick it off or spend it on stupid motherfuckers or some hoes or some Jordans or fucking vacation or something. Like, you're supposed to flip it, grow it, invest it. Watch that compound interest take effect. I thought we wanted to become legendary. Isn't that what it's all about with no limits? Again, if y'all made it this far in the video, comment this word at the bottom of the video. I'm gonna put it in here, at the bottom of the video, just so I know who actually watched this all the way to the end, who didn't run away without me. But again, just let y'all know, this video have found y'all some clarity, have given y'all any insight whatsoever. Like this video, let me know what y'all think. But at the end of the day, it's on y'all. Run the play, do what you gotta do. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Join the fam. If y'all got any questions, put them in the comments below. But until next time, we out. Wait, I gotta go to the grocery store.